Has your Linksys mesh network suddenly lost its internet connection? Maybe everything was working fine yesterday, but today, none of your wired or wireless devices can get online. Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through simple steps to help identify the issue and get your internet back. Step 1. Check the physical connections. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your modem is connected directly to your Linksys parent node. Next, check that the Ethernet cable is plugged into the Internet or WAN port on your Linksys router. Also, confirm that both your modem and Linksys node are powered on. Step 2. Check the LED status. Now take a look at the LED on your Linksys parent node. If the LED indicates that the device is in setup mode, meaning either solid purple or solid blue depending on the model, you'll need to reconfigure the node. Check the description below for knowledge base articles on LED setup mode colors and setup instructions for your specific Linksys model. If there's no LED activity at all, verify that you're using the correct power adapter and that it's securely connected. If the LED is red, meaning there is no internet connection, continue to the next step. Step 3. Verify internet service provider connectivity. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from your Linksys router and connect a computer directly to your modem. Restart the modem and wait about 3 to 5 minutes. Then check if your computer can access the internet. If you still can't get online, the issue is likely with your internet service provider. Contact them for assistance. If the internet works when connected directly to the modem, move on to the next step. Step 4. Restart your network. Reconnect your modem to the WAN port on your Linksys parent node. Now power everything off, then wait 1 full minute. Power the modem back on first and wait about 3 minutes. Once the modem is fully online, power on your Linksys parent node and allow another 3 to 5 minutes for it to reconnect. This process often restores communication between your modem and your router.